Hi everybody, welcome to week 2 and module 2. Hopefully you figured out all the different assignments for week 1. Once you have those down, we'll be repeating those with different content, obviously, as we move through the different areas. So this week we're going to look at understanding people at work, and so looking at ways that we try to understand people. So if you remember back to the first module, predicting behavior, understanding behavior, and influencing behavior, there's a lot of differences about people. Unfortunately, people are not like numbers, and you put in a formula and you know exactly what's going to make them work or influence their behavior. There's a lot of diversity in individuals. So take a look at chapters 3 and 4. The journal this week is going to be about your true authentic self. So you've got some materials on being an authentic leader. A discussion board, so we'll take a look at. This week, chapter 4 shares some examples of companies that have been listed as the best places to work. You probably have that in your community where different organizations evaluate what it's like to work at different local companies, and then they give them awards. So in this assignment, I'm asking you to evaluate your own organization. So if you're not working right now, or you want to use an organization from your past, that's okay too. So evaluate an organization as the best place to work. Look at the SAS example first. Here you're also going to be looking at organizational citizenship behaviors, commitment, satisfaction. So those are all important outcomes of organizational behavior. That's what we're trying to influence. So this is your discussion. So again, try to get your discussion posted by Wednesday so you can respond to others by Sunday. Second, your written assignment has to do with fit. This idea of person-organization fit, person-job fit. So I've asked you to complete an assignment, Catch Your Dreams Online, to try to identify kind of a bucket list, things that you might not have thought about in the past, some you will have thought about, and use that brainstorming of dreams to try to evaluate or identify the values you hold, which goes along with the journal entry for the week. Given this little reflection on your personal values and goals, assess your current level of person-job fit. So how good of a fit are you with the specific position and job you're in? And then how good of a fit do you have with the organization? So values, goals of yourself, and fit with the job and the organization. And then the last question is kind of, so what? What are your conclusions? How will your reflection and learning from this experience influence your future behavior? And then finally, again, the journal for this week is to embrace a true, authentic self. Bill George has written a book that I've used in other classes called True North. So if you're interested in this topic, I would encourage you to take a look because that's where this activity is actually from. All right, I adapted this from his book. So here, asking you to draw a picture of your life story. So you don't have to turn that in. Showed you a picture. I've attached a page that I used in one of my classes with undergraduates. But here are some things to reflect on. Your main influences and experiences thus far, the most difficult challenge you've faced. How do you turn that into an opportunity for growth? And then ultimately, how do your life experiences shape the values you hold, and how well are you living your values? So all those first questions are to get to the final question about being your true authentic self, living your true authentic life. So let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to learning about you from your postings last week.